Hello everyone. So yesterday we have seen how we can do setup Ollama into local system and how we can use Gamma 3 4 billion model in it. So in today's video I will show you how we can build agents. So agents are basically a system that can perform some task using LLM and tools. So let's say if you have to build one agent that can do real time searching on internet related to weather. Let's say I have to search weather for Delhi. So first it has to search weather on internet and it has to find some relevant result, and then it has to give some particular output. Okay, there are 30-degree temperature in Delhi or 20-degree temperature in Delhi. So in today's video I will show you how you can build that kind of smaller agents. So without wasting time, first let's get started. So I have this Visual Studio Code, and I'm creating one new notebook, new file, Python file. Sorry. So I have this VS Code, and I'm using it for creating Jupyter notebook. Yes, I have Python 3.10, so I'm selecting it here. So if anyone wants to know like how I have created this virtual environment for Python 3.10, so you have to install Miniconda. If you search over internet, you will find this Miniconda. Click on it and you will find installation here, installing Miniconda. Yes, and then if you want to create some virtual environment, so after installation you can come in VS Code and just type conda create Python 3.10. So if you hit like this, so it will automatically create some Python 3.10 environment. You can also change your you can also change your Python version here. So let's say you have to create Python 3 for Python 3.11, so you can change it here. Since I have already created it, so I am not doing this step, and I have selected my kernel for Python 3.10. So let's again move to this LangChain page. So into the this installation section, you will find this command pip install LangChain. So for installing LangChain, you have to execute it. So it requires minimum 3.10 version, and we will be requiring some other tools and libraries. I have mentioned you uh, we will be using some internet tools to search on internet, and we will be using some LLM tools. So I will be installing this LangChain Ollama. Ollama is basically for LLM provider, and this LangChain uh, search, this is for basically search on the internet. So I'm installing this. Yeah, I have already installed. Now let's jump onto this quick start section, and here you can find one small example for weather search agent. So what is it is doing, it is basically importing this LangChain dot agents, and it's taking this function create agent. So create agent basically creating for creation of new agent, and it basically taking arguments like model. This is cloud sonnet model, and this another argument for taking tools. So here it is using this get weather tool. Right now you can see like it's basically just returning a hard coded output, like it's always sunny, and it's like inserting city here. So let's just copy here. Now many of you don't have like these LLM access like Cloud A or GPT. So what we are going to do, we are just utilizing our Ollama. So just import this from LangChain Ollama, chat Ollama. So you have to import this chat Ollama, and in chat Ollama basically we are going to pass our model name. So let's say we are using this Quant 2.57 billion model as our LLM. So you can take it, and we have to replace it here in this model section. And let's try this. So it will take some time. Yes. So now you can see AI message, tool message, and again AI message. So now yeah, so now you can see this three message: AI message, tool message, and again AI message. So in tool message you can see it's returning it's always sunny in SF, and we have passed this what is weather. So our prompt is basically like it's like that, what is weather in SF, and it is saying it's always sunny in SF. Okay. So now let's, if we pass uh, so now let's remove this hard coded function get weather, and let's use some internet search and make it more dynamic. So I'm using one tool, LangChain Tavily Search. So what you have to do, you can search it for search on the internet. So this is the basically main portal for this tool. Here you can come, and you have to log in here. So its API key is basically absolutely free, and you can use this tool to do some search on the internet. It's kind of search engine basically. So it's something similar to like Google. And I have to do one more search, LangChain. So this tool is available in LangChain. Yeah, and yeah, just scroll it here, and we have to copy this LangChain. We have copied correctly. So I'm copying this tool. We can remove this, and now we also have to pass our API key here. So API key we have taken it. Yes. So we have set it here, and now I'm replacing this get weather tool. to actual search, and I am removing this function, and I am changing this to like Delhi. Like what is the weather in Delhi? So now what my agent will do, my agent will take this LLM and take this tool, and now it will decide like it has to use this tool to search on the internet, and then it has to give some answer based on that. So first it will search uh, about the on weather in Delhi, weather situation in Delhi, and then it basically utilize LLM to frame final response for us, and it will complete its task. Yes. So now if you see this tool message, so it has searched this weather in Delhi. So it has also some results like this from weather APIs, and there is uh, some other data, other website data, and there is some other basically website link where it is taking this weather data, and then basically it's giving us final answer. If you see this AI message, so it's giving the final response. The current weather in Delhi as of January 12, 2026 is basically minus 1.4 degrees Celsius, and the wind speed is 22 miles per hour. So it's looking on the internet, and then it's basically giving the final answer. So this is a basically small example of like how agents work in LangChain. And in upcoming video I will be uploading more details about the agents, LangChain and LangGraph. Hope you have enjoyed this session. Please share this video and hit the subscribe button. Thank you.